Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to block YouTube on Roku TV. Let's go. Is it possible to block apps on Roku TV? No, but you can do it differently. Open App Store, find and install Roku app. Open Roku app. Log into your Roku account. Settings. Pin settings. Turn on making purchases and adding apps. Select YouTube app. Options. Remove. Add YouTube app. Now, in order to install the application, you need to enter a PIN. That's it. Now you know how to block YouTube on Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.